Hi, my name's Charlie from LNC. Today we're here to install the black outdoor wall mount lantern. Before we get started today, don't forget to turn off your electricity. First, we're going to start by installing our glass. We'll take the glass and slide it into its slots. Holding it in place are these little nipples at the bottom. Once we have the glass slid in place, we'll take these clips and screw them down at the corner of each glass. Then we'll install our mounting plate. Once it's tightened down, check to make sure it's level. Then we'll tighten up the other screw. Then we'll take the ground wire, tie them to one another. Take the solid copper ground wire and tie it to the green ground screw. Then, using wire caps, we'll tie our white lines together and then our black ones. Then we're ready to check the depth of our screws for our canopy. If they're too short, go back and make them longer. And once they're at the right length, tighten down your screws to hold them in place. Then, hanging the canopy, we'll use washers and nuts to hold it on. Once the canopy is mounted, we're going to take the glass shade and mount it to the lamp body, using the two screws hanging from each side. Now you want to put in your light bulb, but don't forget to turn on your electricity. And there, you have light. Now that my job's finished, you can go now and subscribe. And thank you.